Yeah, hi, Sumit. Good afternoon. How are you?
Sir, I'm good, sir. How it's, sir?
Yeah, I'm good, good. Thanks for asking. Okay, are you comfortable? Can we start?
Yes, sir, sure.
Yeah. Can you please go ahead with your introduction?
Sir, my name is Sumit Kumar. I'm from
Mm-hmm.
Meerut. I've started my career as a test executive in EDM Star Private Limited.
Mm-hmm.
Now, 3 years, 5 years back. Now, currently, I'm working as a software development engineer test.
Mm-hmm.
My responsibilities in my company is to understand the requirement, business requirement, and uh, test important scenarios and to execute them in test cases uh, and writing the test scripts and and find if find defects if find defects report to the development team and get them fixed. I have experience in regressional testing, functional testing, retesting, automation testing, mobile testing. That's it, sir.
Mm-hmm. Good, good, good. So, what other tools and technologies have you used for your automation?
So for automation, I have used Java with Selenium, uh, and I have used TestNG for data-driven testing framework. And along with that, I have used Maven for build management, and for version controlling, I have used Git, and for CI/CD deployment, I have used Jenkins,
Mm-hmm.
and for defect management, and I have used Jira.
Okay. 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 Fine. All right. So, can you please tell me? Okay. So, can you please tell me what are the variables do we have in Java?
So we have two types of variables.
Mm-hmm.
One is primitive variable and
Mm-hmm.
another one is reference variable.
Mm-hmm.
Primitive variable is of three types:
Mm-hmm.
instance variable, uh, static variable, and local variable.
Mm-hmm.
So instance variable is the instance of the object. Its life is related to the object only. When the object is created, the instance variable is created. And so instance variable is defined inside the class outside the constructor method and block is defined and is initiated. An instance variable is initiated inside a constructor. uh,
Mm-hmm.
and static variable is also defined outside the class. No, sorry, inside the class outside the method block or constructor and is initialized in a static block.
Mm-hmm.
And
Okay.
yes.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. So now can you please tell me the difference between abstract class and interface?
Sir, abstract class contains abstract methods and concrete methods, whereas interface does not contains the concrete methods and concrete methods. An abstract class may be or may not have abstract method, whereas all the methods in the interface are abstract, where we define or not.
Okay, fine. So is constructor available in abstract class and interface?
No, sir.
No, we don't have. Okay, fine. No worry. Let me move ahead. Can you please tell me what are okay? Uh, okay, if constructor is not available, then no worry. Let me move ahead. Can you please tell me what is meant by the upcasting and downcasting in Java?
Sir, by upcasting, we can fetch the variable from the parent class in child class, and and we can fetch the variable instance. We can fetch the variables of the variables and methods of the override method or override method also in child class, and
Mm-hmm.
by downcasting we can fetch the variables and methods of the uh, uh, variables and method of the child class.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, fine. So can you please quickly share your screen, Sumit?
Yes.
Okay. Can you please open any notepad? Okay. I just shared you in the program in a meeting chat. So suppose my string name is Sumit Kumar. I want to find out the occurrence of this string. So can you please write down the program for me? Like Sumit Kumar, this is my string we have. I want to find out like how many times this character is repeating. Like S, how many time it is repeating? One time. U repeated two times. M repeated two times. Okay, so this is what Java program you have to write down. Can you please copy and paste it in Notepad and just write down the program for me. Just you can maximize this Notepad as well. Let me know once you are done with this, Sumit.
So
Are you-
1 second. Just
Okay, sure.
sir, done, sir. Done, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Can you please explain me this logic?
Yes, sir. Sir, first we define input the string in string name. Then we define a variable value with 2 and integer variable num with 1. When we initialize the string uh, 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 character like from int I0, uh, then we get into the for loop and we print the character at I, that is 0. Character at I0 is S. Then we get into the another for loop where it j is equal to I plus 1, which and in this we compare the first character with the other character in the string name. Uh, if we found a duplicate character at I is similar, then we print the value 2, uh, and we again increment that value, again increment that value if we found another similar character to our uh, original character, initial character. Uh, else we print 1.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Are you sure this logic will work?
I hope so, sir.
Hmm? Okay, no problem. Let me move ahead. Uh, can you please tell me what is the okay? Fine. Can you please tell me what is the difference between hash map and hash table in Java?
Hash map, sir. Hash map and hash table, sir. Hash table store uh, hash table, sir. In hash table we stores the data. In hash table we null data. We are not able to enter the null data in hash table in key value pairs, but we can add null key and null value in hash map. And sir, hash map in hash map, sir, in order insertion order is preserved, and in hash table, sir, we get the objects in the reverse order. That is the sir main difference, sir.
Okay, all right, no worry. Let me move ahead. Um, can you please open the any website of Flipkart website? Can you please open the Flipkart website? Hmm. Before that, can you please tell me what are the what are the what are the XPaths do we have?
Sir, we have absolute XPath and relative XPath, two types of XPath. And in relative absolute XPath, we locate the element from the root node, and it starts with single forward slash, whereas relative XPath starts with relative XPath, which starts with double forward slash, and we locate the element in middle of the HTML DOM structure, sir.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
And yeah,
okay, fine. So just mouse over on that login button. Yeah, can you please write down the XPath to fetch the all element?
XPath to fetch the all element.
Yes, we have to fetch the all elements. So can you please write down the XPath here? Okay, fine. Let me move ahead, Sumit. Can you please tell me what are the type of the exceptions do we have? Sorry, what are the type of the weights do we have?
Sir, we have two types of weight: implicit weight and explicit weight.
Mm-hmm. What
Sir,
are? Mm-hmm. Go ahead.
sir, in implicit weight is applied. Sorry, implicit weight is applied uh, we have to find the we have to find the elements we have to locate the elements, and we define a specific duration of time during which the old elements will be located, and if the elements not located, it will throw an exception, no such element exception. And in explicit weight, sir, we in explicit weight we defined the explicit weight with certain condition, uh, with certain condition to locate which is expected for a certain elements to located. It is specified for a uh, it is specified for a certain elements which we want to intend to locate.
Okay. Can you please open the notepad? Yeah, and can you please write down the, syntax of the explicit weight here?
So explicit weight.
Yeah.
Sure.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Are you done with this?
Yes,
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, can you please write down the syntax for how we can handle the alert in Selenium WebDriver?
sir.
Okay. Done? Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, let me move ahead. Can you please tell me, you know, how we can handle the uh, how we can handle the test data in your automation framework actually?
How we can, sir, handle the,
How you can handle the test data in your automation framework with the help of the test ng?
sir, with the data provider annotation, uh,
Mm-hmm.
we fetch the data from external files,
Mm-hmm.
which is stored in Excel sheet formats.
Okay. And what is the return type of the data provider annotation?
Sir, return type of data provider annotation is 2D array
Mm-hmm.
objects.
Okay. Okay, fine. Can you please tell me what is the hierarchy of the test ng annotations?
So hierarchy of test engine annotation is suit at the rate suit test uh, class before suit before test before class before method at the rate test after method after class after test and after suit.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Are you sure about this? Okay, fine. No worry. Let me move ahead. Can you please tell me what is the difference between put and post?
Sub put is used to put and post. Supposed is used to create a resource, and whereas put is used to update and resource.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. If suppose we are using post method, and I'm just passing the data Sumit Kumar,
Yes, sir.
and again second time also I'm just passing the same data for Sumit Kumar. So is our resources again gonna create law, or what kind of exceptions will get?
So resource will created with a new ID, sir. We generate with a new ID. Sir.
Mm-hmm. You mean to say duplicate data is gonna create there?
No, sir. Duplicate. Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. So can you please tell me what are the basic flow of your Git commands like on day-to-day basis whenever you are doing coding? So what kind of basic flow you have to do? Like what are the basic command on day-to-day basis are you using?
Sir, the basic command that I'm using day to day is git uh, add space dot to add whatever the changes I have done. Then I have to commit those changes. Git commit minus m, and then I have to so I have to push those changes and git push into the local repository, uh, and then I have to merge those changes into my uh, 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 current repository by git pull merge.
Mm-hmm. Okay, all right, fine. What is mean by the cron expression in Jenkins?
Font expressions.
Okay, no worry. Can you please tell me what is the difference between before and the background keyword?
Sir, background keyword, in background keyword we define uh, all the common test cases which are common to all the scenarios, and and or maybe predefined test steps in background keyword. Whereas in before before we define the test steps uh, which are which we want to run before every test scenario. So,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. What is mean by the monochrome in Cucumber?
sir, monochrome in Cucumber is used to get the console output in much readable way.
Are you sure about this?
Sir, it gives the logging information in the console outputs.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. All right, I think I'm pretty much good from my side, Sumit. All right, let me stop our interview.